everyone, welcome back to Mommy Shelly's kitchen. Today we are going to make a fish roulade. The fish we're going to use is a rock cod, and then this time we're gonna make it a little bit fancier. We have a combination of a healthy one and a little badness here. Once in a while it's not bad. Okay. So we need to prep. So we have our ingredients. We have not spinach. We can use spinach instead of kale if you don't have kale. You can also any green leafy vegetables would work. Okay, just to give it some coloring inside your roulade. Then we will need lemon. I included a little bit of lime here for our fish. Yeah, that would give it a really nice flavor and get rid of the smell of the fish. We have cheese here, and then we have soy sauce. We have bell pepper, ginger, cut up ginger, garlic, and then white onions, whatever you have at home. And our black pepper seasoning. I'm still using the Lori seasoned salt. You can use just regular salt, that's fine. Okay, so now we are going to marinate our fish. So that would be our next step. So let's marinate our fish by putting our lemon, sprinkle a little bit of salt in here, our seasoning, just a little bit, of course the soy sauce. Okay, so we'll leave it for a while here. We'll mix it, just mix it and leave it in for a couple of minutes while we're preparing for our filling. We're just sauteing our garlic here, onion, we have our ginger, and then our bell pepper. And now we're gonna add our kale. Alright, so now we are ready to wrap our roulade. So we have our fish here. We can put our cheese. Let's put some cheese. Not a lot, just to give it a little flavor. Put it at the bottom and put it on top as well. Our filling here, which is the kale and other stuff that we sauteed earlier, and top it again with another cheese on top, some more cheese, and then roll. And don't forget, we need our bacon. We have good and evil combination in this. Healthy kale, bad, but sometimes once in a while it's okay. So now we're going to roll it. When you roll it, you really want to make sure to roll it tightly. And then we use our toothpick later. Okay. And so there. Roll tight, tight, and tight. Okay. And then you are going to start rolling your bacon in the middle first. And like this. Then put your toothpick in like that. Okay, so we have one down. Let's transfer it so you can see it. We have our one down. All right, let's start searing our roulade now. Just hold it with a toothpick. And here we go. Okay, so when I bake using the baking pan, I usually line it with foil just to make sure that it won't stick, and it's easy to clean up later. So now I put a little bit of oil in there, and I'm going to sprinkle it with some flour. I just want to make sure that it won't stick. Then we can simply arrange our roulade here. Okay. Just arrange it, and then we'll bake it 400 degrees. I preheated the oven to 400 degrees, and we will do it for about 5 minutes. Okay, and that should be done. This would cook quickly because it's fish and we already brown it ahead of time. All right, I think we're going to be able to squeeze in one more over here. Let's arrange it. Okay, and right there. And let's just add the sauce. I mean the extra sauce. Let's just top it on top. Okay. All right, and that would go to the oven for 5 minutes. Okay, so we finished baking our roulade. I arranged it in our plate here, and now we're gonna do a little bit decoration. Now because it's fish, it would be really nice to put some lime beside it, because you know, any seafood goes with lime really well. So we can put that in, and let's see, let's just arrange it here. Let's put the big one over here. We have extra of our filling, so I'm thinking I'm going to put it right on top to give it a little color. It's the same thing that we put in there earlier. So here we go. let's just a little. That looks good. Just a little bit of sauce, and we don't want it too much because then it gets so messy. Just so it shows something on top. Ooh, that is looking great. There you have it, our fish roulade. Here is our final roulade, and we cannot wait for you to do the same or do your own creation, especially in this Father's Day. And to all fathers in the whole world, happy Father's Day.